Boom, boom. Hi. Welcome back to our workshop, aka just the garage. And over here we have the car. I got Austin over here. He doesn't have hair anymore. It's gone. you just got this going on here now. But we are installing mods today, specifically the steering wheel. Now, basically how this all kind of went down is that I was all watching the GoPro POV footage that I would always capture whenever I'm driving around. And I'm like, that big, kinda ugly, it's not really like ugly if I were to describe it, but compared to like, you know, aftermarket stuff, it could definitely be adjusted. I kind of wanted a new steering wheel. I asked you guys definitely gave either like Vertex or Nardi, but we're definitely going with Vertex just because I think, like, in my opinion, that's just the best way to go. They have like the best kind of modernized but classy look to it, whereas the Nardis I think look a little too old school for me. It's gonna fit the look of this car, and this guy actually brought it straight from San Diego, and I've not seen it in person yet, so might as well open it up. Oh, like this. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. Oh, it feels so nice. Yo. That is so sick. I love the concavity. Oh my gosh. This actually feels way better than I thought. Holy crap. But yeah, we have like the red 10-star. The red on my GTR has always been, I guess, the only other contrasting color to it, because that's my brake calipers and a couple other, like, and my engine and everything like that. That's the only other really color on the car besides silver and gray. So I figured a red steering wheel would kind of go along that, or a red stitched up steering wheel. But dang, I'm excited, boy. Let's get this. So yes, we need a flathead. Who you calling the flathead? Oh, pinhead. That one. Success. Yes. So we'll make sure to start. This works. Now, hopefully by the end of today, this still works. So we just gotta start by popping this off. Aha! That wasn't hard at all. And then we got that in there to work with.
All you need to do is take out that center.
Oh, really?
Center bolt, yeah.
Oh, okay. So
I have no idea what size it is.
yeah.
I'm gonna say
A little bit bigger than what is this, an 18?
maybe it's like a 20, 21?
21?
You stupid.
No, I'm not. Alright, so we had too tight, now we have too loose. We need somewhere in between. Supposed to only loosen it enough so that the washer can still prevent the wheel from just flying at your face.
Yeah, you definitely want to have that screw in, because I didn't realize that and I almost broke my nose.
Oh yeah.
Boom, right in the face.
Oh. Oh no. Holy cow, I feel like the whole car is gonna go reverse.
Yeah, you brake works, right?
Yeah, we're in first.
Stupid.
Oh yeah.
It's funny because I still like don't realize at times.
You got in the shower, just put a little shampoo here and there.
Oh, so stupid. Wash my hair like, oh.
Oh. Come on.
Oh, there we go.
Oh. Yay.
She loose, baby.
Can't hurt Austin's beautiful face.
Hey, my head might not be beautiful anymore, but.
Nah, what you talking about? Holy cow, this is heavy. What in the name? This isn't just for looks and aesthetics. This is for freaking weight reduction. Holy crap. So let's set that right there. Oh. Just picture. Oh yeah. I think we know which one's better. I have gotten the NRG short hub adapter, as you can display right there. We need to go get screws or hardware for it because it still didn't come with it. And then coming beyond that is going to be a quick release as well, because I believe that's also what I might need just to actually have the horn on there. For this video, we just want to get the wheel on the car, just for, you know, to check it out and get it all set up for you guys so you guys see what it looks like. But eventually, I will get the quick release on there so we'll be able to take the wheel off, you know, and do that dangerous driving stuff where you're like driving without the wheel. Nah, we're not gonna be doing that. You know what that means? Home Depot run, baby. We are in the land, searching for our screws. We're at the Home Depot. Here's one. Just need Minecraft villager sounds. Just Oh my god, that's genius.
Small flathead.
Who you calling a flathead? So yeah, we officially have the Vertex wheel on the car, and just ignore the little, I have the cap right here. But yeah, so basically we can run the wheel without the quick release, but I'm gonna need the quick release to have the cap and to obviously be able to use the horn and stuff like that. So that's on the way. We'll get that done eventually, and it'll be cool because I could take off the wheel, use it as like a hood prop, or just, you know, flex on them, you know what I'm saying? But it looks amazing with the dials and everything, and even that little warning sticker right there. It just matches the red and all. And then we got the Recaro confettis and stuff like that. So that is an awesome add-on. Thank you, Vertex. Definitely the best in the game. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And now I'd say we should go on a little test drive and get some POV footage and see what it's actually like driving with that little wheel on there. Alrighty, so we are now in the car, and we got the steering wheel on. I'm so not used to this, but just ignore the center cap, obviously, because that ain't there. But overall, the first thing I noticed is that it's way smaller than the stock wheel. So like, the grass is here like 2 hands. It's a lot thinner in width. And I got Tim in here.
You, what's up?
He just magically appeared out of nowhere. It's amazing because even though it's something that's connected to the car, like I can't really feel the overall weight of it. It feels light, like it feels way lighter, and it just feels a lot more
big boy
mobile.
right here.
Yeah,
This is heavy. You can work out with this thing.
exactly. And this is why I brought Tim. You can roll down.
Oh, yeah. Let's see what this tempting.
There's a Tesla over there.
Not
Oh, he has no reaction,
no
bruh.
reaction. Oh, come on, man.
I just love the feel of the grip, and it's really cool kind of having this Vertex as just like a placeholder of knowing where the wheel is turned at all times, whereas the other wheel's just all black, so you can't really tell. We have a perfect comparison right here. This is amazing. We gotta wait for more people to drive by. Yeah. Wait, hang on. Let's go in front of this Kia. It's so funny. Bruh. It's too good. It's too freaking good.
Yeah, they're looking at it.
Yo. Legendary. We made it to Seattle. The nice wheel, looking all spicy. And we got Luke with his brand new Stance RX-8 setup right there. Completely all new wrapped with gold flake, completely new gen bumper, everything hella aggressive, Ultra Gang banner, everything going. So we're doing a double Stancy Boy shoot right now, and we might have a third secret surprise member joining up the shoot. Yo, third car's arrived. Dude, what's up? Nice to meet you, Jack.
Nice to meet you, man. How are you, Cliff?
This thing is nuts, dude.
Just ended, I lost my front bumper grill.
Oh no, you lost your bumper grill.
Yeah. So, funny thing is, back home, so we're going out of DriftCon, and we get the jacket box, we gotta go take a peek. So I go in, come out, I'm like, what's missing?
Oh no!
I look at my buddy, I'm like, grill. He's like, yeah. I'm like, replaceable, right? He's like, yeah. I'm like, what else do we? We're Canadian. License plate. He's like, where'd you leave it? I'm like, I didn't leave it. It's somewhere down the I-5.
Oh shoot.
2 hours ago.
Oh shoot.
So-
Tell me about this thing.
So it's a 2008 Cayman. I didn't want to go S because people were like, why'd you get the S? I'm like, I'm gonna cut this car up.
Exactly.
Why spend 10K more to get a car that you're basically cut up anyways?
Exactly.
So I did obviously the wide body V2 Phantom kit. First in Canada. At the time it was second built in North America.
Ooh.
And then I did D2 struts, airlift management. I went with wheels called MV4s.
I love those.
The fronts are 19 by 10 and a half, -6. The rears are 19 by 12, -16.
Holy moly. I love it. I'm a sucker for like Yeah, deep and then gray
Yeah.
centers and everything. I just love
So when your
that.
mom says clean the dishes, this is the only time you want to do it.
Dude, it's just like, it has no imperfections on it. It's just a complete beautiful, in my opinion.
There's rusty bolts, which
Yeah,
sucks. I'm waiting for my downstar bolts, but for now I just keep, every time I do a show, most people don't know this, I swap out every 51 bolts.
Oh, really?
Every show. So
Oh.
every show I swap out every single bolt
No way.
back to black.
No
Yeah,
way.
because they rust so easily, right?
Yeah, yeah,
so
yeah,
every
yeah.
time I take them out, clean the little notches, and I put new bolts in.
Yeah.
And I think that's good.
Look at this. As we would commonly say, we're out here. That is a flex setup. Oh my God. Oh! The air out. All right, comment down below. Which is your favorite? Skyline, Cayman, RX-8. You know what? They all work, right? But it is the most diverse, like
Honestly,
weird
yeah.
lineup. Like we got Mazda RX-8, a Porsche Cayman out of all things, and a Skyline. It's not your standard like, you know,
Who does this for
JDM.
RX-8 in the first place? Or Cayman.
We're getting kicked out. We're getting kicked out. Police are here. But it was a fun shoot, and time to drive this baby. Oh my God. Perfection. Dang, that's a flex. Oh my God. Woo! Dang, that was beautiful.
You good? What's up? What happened?
Is that a cop?
Where?
Oh my God. There's a cop.
Oh shit.
There's a cop like right here.
There is it undercover?
It's got a mask on.
Oh my word.
Oh my
Oh.
God.
Take it easy, you're fine.
It's getting.
Oh
Uh-oh.
shit.
Oh my God, it is tailing me.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Oh boy.
Shoot.
Do you know the kilometer conversion?
They're freaking out.
You know
I
the-
should be 60 right now. I'm just following this. Holy crap.
Yikes, dude. That's kind of terrifying. We have to slow down here for factorial bumps anyway. Oh, he's passing. Okay, I think we're okay. Just gonna put that down. Dude, undercover explorer. Holy crap.
Oh my God. We just got tailgated hella by a cop after doing a pull in the tunnel.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. That was scary.
That was bad.
That was the way. How are we alive? The girl.
They saw that. Dang.
Oh my God.
That was sketchy. We got real lucky there.
Life gave me a chance today.
And just like that, he's gone. Alright.
He's pretty chill. Oh, yo.
Oh, we got a little buddy here.
Evo.
Oh, sick.
No way.
He tagged someone else just now. What did he tag?
No way.
He tagged a VW, bro.
Bro, you know what?
Bro.
I'll put Jeremy Clarkson, you loser.
Oh, yeah. That's Brennan.
Yeah. We are parked up, pulling up at a meet. You thought this was a normal steering wheel install video? You were wrong. We're doing stuff today. Dude, that was quite a ride. We had the cop. You see that cop?
Yeah, you saw that? Where was he?
He's right there. me, I'm like, he's screaming next to me, and I'm like, and he goes behind you, and I'm like, oh.
Was he behind us the entire time?
yeah.
Oh, being Canadian, he's like, fuck him.
Yeah, it's because he's Canadian. We're gonna try and use the stock wheel as a hood prop. Because my current one is non-removable yet. Put it, try and set it right there.
Oh, that's good.
Is it staying? Is it oh. Voila. That is the most casual flex stock steering wheel hood prop right there.
It's gonna be more of a flex with a Vertex wheel.
I know, but it's freaking bolted in right now, so.
Unbolt it, put it there, and then at the end of the meet, bolt it back in.
You'll just see me. Everyone's like scramming when the cops show up, and I'll just be like screwing. Like, Alright, well, we have one last shoot. It's way over here. We're in industrial territory for sure, but this is just dreamy out here. As you can see, we got all the cars. Tim's a little. There we go. Now it looks like he's more in the shot. But yeah, we got the sun going down right over there. The cars are all perched up. Thank you guys for watching this video. Obviously, I tried to turn an install video into something a little bit more because obviously here at the UltraMotive crew, we're always doing fun car stuff. So if you want to see more of that, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow on Insta, Twitter, and etc. This will be JackUltraMotive signing it off.
Oh, Peachy Media.
It's full of peachy media.
Ultra.